how to effectively set up live selling in e-commerce. Kung hindi ka pa nagla-live selling ngayon, sobrang daming opportunity and growth ang naiiwan mo. Kasi alam to ng mga top sellers, alam ko to, and I'm sure alam mo rin yan. Sobrang powerful, and live selling is the future of e-commerce. Pero here's the thing, a lot of sellers don't do it or mali ang approach tuwing nagla-live sila. Yung mga maling mindset pagdating sa live selling, akala nila quick hack yan para tumaas ang sales nila. Kaya ang ginagawa nila, gumagamit sila ng mga live ads at sobrang baba ng ROI. The result, lugi na at hindi na tumutuloy sa live. Kasi let me give you guys the brutal truth pagdating sa live selling. It is not about quick profit. Hindi rin siya about quick short-term growth. Live selling is the greatest investment that you can possibly make for brand awareness, engagement, and building trust for your customer. And ang resulta nun, tataas ang conversion rate mo and eventually tataas ang sales mo. At kung magagawa mo ng tama ang live selling, this can help you 10x your store. Why do they invest hundreds and millions on live selling kung hindi siya effective? Hindi kayo naniniwala on the power of live? Just check brands like Nestle, Unilever, Nike. 24 hours sila nagla-live. I-check mo ngayon, you will see that they have a live running. Kasi this is the future and the most effective branding secret that you have to do. Ngayong alam mo na kung gaano ka-importante ang live selling, I want to give you the proper mindset. Live selling is not a shortcut. Sobrang hirap niyan. You need to live 8 to 10 hours. May isang dedicated live host, may dedicated setup, malaking investment yan. So I want to teach you right. I want to give you the right mindset so that you can execute it properly nang hindi ka nalulugi. And itong mga tuturo ko sa'yo, hindi lang to sabi-sabi or theory. These are actual live selling strategies that we have used across 20 brands. Kaya wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's get right on to it. First, pag-usapan natin kung ano ba dapat ang goal pagdating sa live selling. And ito yung mistake that 90% of sellers make. Ganito ang nangyayari. Magsa-start silang live 2 to 3 hours and they expect instant ROI. Ang mindset nila,
magla-live lang ng saglit, dapat benta agad, dapat kita agad.
Pero let me be honest with you, that is the wrong mindset and the fastest way for you to be disappointed and stop doing live. Live is not a quick sales hack. Kapag nag-live ka, even for 8 to 12 hours, there are going to be days na walang viewers, walang benta. But that is the investment. Kasi isipin mo, as a customer, bibili ka ba sa isang live na nakita mo lang isang beses? Of course not, di ba? And bigyan ko pa kayo ng isa pang secret, guys, ha? And mga platform na mismo ang nagsabi nito. People need to consume at least 60 minutes of your content before they buy anything from you. So huwag ka mag-e-expect na bebenta ka agad after one live session. Uulitin ko, the purpose of live is brand awareness and engagement. Yung sales, byproduct lang yan, not the main goal. Every time that you are doing live, you help the algorithm push you to a certain audience na mas likely bumili sa store mo. And most importantly, it builds trust sa mga customer mo. Kasi sino bang scammer ang nagla-live selling, di ba? And pagdating sa e-commerce, alam mo yan, trust is the real currency. Once you have trust and you build engagement with your customer, mas mataas ang chance na bumili sila and mas mataas ang chance na maging repeat customer sila. And that is where the magic happens. When people don't know you, turn into one-time buyer and turn into loyal customer. Pagdating sa live selling, you need to be consistent. Whether it be in answering questions or even kung ano oras ka nagla-live. The key to making it work is being consistent. And I promise you, slowly over time, tataas ang viewers mo, tataas ang checkout mo, and tataas ang engagement mo. The long-term goal of live selling is not to make your customer buy once. The goal is to create an association sa mga customers na pag inisip nila ang brand mo, may isip nila ang reliable, consistent, and quality na item. That's how you build a community and that's how you build a brand. Once na mabago mo ang mindset mo to live once, benta agad, to building something that lasts, marirealize mo that live selling is not that hard. Now that alam mo na ang tamang mindset pagdating sa live, tuturuan naman kita on tools and tricks that you can use para mas gumanda ang resulta ng live mo. Unang-una dito, And this is the #1 best strategy that you can use is Shopee Live Coins. Instead of gumagastos ka sa ads, ilagay mo yan sa Shopee Live Coins. And I promise you, you will get a 10x better result compared to live ads. So papaano nga ba gumagana ang live coins? Simple lang. Once a viewer stays for 5 minutes, they can claim a certain amount of live coins. Ikaw ang magde-decide niyan. And usually, nasa 0.2 to 0.5 cent siya. And think about it, yung live ads, nagdadala sila ng viewers sa live mo and umaalis sila right after. But yung live coins, it makes your viewers stay longer, which in turn helps the algorithm bring more people to your live. So kung nagla-live ka and gumagamit ka ng live ads, next time, try Shopee Live Coins. And I promise you, it's a game changer. Next, pag-usapan naman natin ang platform vouchers. Ito yung tool na hindi madalas ginagamit ng mga sellers to its maximum potential. Kasi this is the reality. Platforms give 50 to 90,000 worth of vouchers for people who live. And papaano mo makukuha yan? You need to live consistently for 6 to 12 hours every single day. So sobrang daming seller, hindi nila nakukuha. Kasi 2 hours or 3 hours lang sila nagla-live every other day. Imagine that, 50 to 90,000 worth of vouchers. Gaano kalaking tulong yan sa store mo kapag nakuha mo? Kaya this is my challenge for you. If you are doing live now, make it longer and make it more consistent. And magugulat ka na lang, bigla-bigla tumataas ang orders. Now, let me give you a more practical strategy sa paggamit ng voucher. You need to make it tiered. For example, pwede ka magbigay ng 20 pesos off on 199 min spend para sa mga small buyers. Tapos pwede mong taasan yan to 50 pesos for 299 min spend. And 100 pesos off for 599 min spend. Pero take note guys ha, all of these are just examples. You need to create tiered vouchers based on your numbers. Next, you need to remind the live sellers to mention the vouchers. Kasi isipin mo, kung nanonood ka ng live, tas minention bigla ng live seller, guys, may voucher tayo, pero 1 minute lang. Sobrang daming mag-claim yan and sobrang daming mag-check out. And that is the goal of the vouchers, to create urgencies for your buyer. Kasi karamihan ng viewers mo, ready na yan bumili, pero kulang lang ng urgency. So do it. Ito guys, isa pang pro tip. If you have an RM or relationship manager, mas lalo mo pa maximize ang mga binibigay na voucher ng platform. Maraming mga sellers hindi alam or nahihiyang humingi ng voucher sa RM nila. Pero this is the reality and one of the biggest advantage of having RMs. Use it to your advantage. Simple lang, ito ang pwede niyong sabihin, "Hi, I'm planning to do live for 8 hours every single day. Can I get a little bit of voucher support?" And 8 out of 10 times, mabibigyan ka. Just ask. Next, I want you to stop using live ads. Kasi nasubukan ko na yan across multiple stores and multiple niches. Nasusunog lang talaga ang pera. Kasi the problem with live ads is sobrang baba ng ROI dyan. Para ka lang nagbabayad ng viewers. Nagbabayad ka para manood sila, which is just inflating your numbers but are not actually doing anything for your brand or your conversion. Instead, mas sulit kung coins plus voucher ang gagamitin mo. They stay longer and you increase the chance of them buying. Kaysa marami lang yung viewers mo at walang bumibili at umaalis sila after 1 minute. So kung iisipin mo, simple lang ang formula. Coins to attract people in and vouchers as the trigger to convert viewers into ready buying customers. And of course, huwag mong kakalimutan, this only works if you are consistently doing live. With that strategy, hindi lang basta tataas ang brand awareness and checkout mo, but you learn to use the platform to your advantage. Actually guys, it's quite funny kasi dyan napupunta ang mga platform fees mo. So kapag hindi mo ginagamit o hindi mo ginagawa, sayang lang. And the people who know, sila yung nakakapag-take advantage ng mga platform fees na binabayad nila. So now that alam mo na, simulan mo na. Now, let's talk about the next part. which is to maximize conversion ng store mo. Ito yung common mistake na ginagawa ng mga live sellers. Binabagsak agad nila yung presyo and yung mga vouchers kahit wala pang viewers. The problem is, kung hindi ka pa nagbibuild ng momentum and ng viewers bago mo i-drop ang vouchers, wala masyadong nakakakita and sayang lang. Instead, ang dapat mong gawin ay antayin mo yung peak viewers mo and that's when you drop your sales and your vouchers. Parang concert lang yan. Hindi mo ipa-play yung best song mo nang hindi mo pa nawa-warm up ang audience mo. Kailangan mong i-save yan para sa climax when your customers are hyped and maximum engagement. And let me give you guys another reality. Huwag ka mag-e-expect ng malaking result if you're only doing live for 2 to 3 hours. Let me give you a reality. Pagdating sa live, you need to do live for at least 6 hours. Now that tama na ang mindset mo and alam mo na ang mga tools to maximize the effect of your live, let's talk about the cost. Ito yung lagi kong sinasabi. Ang live selling ay hindi expense. It's an investment towards your brand. Kasi kung isipin mong expense siya, sobrang laki. Isipin mo, 2 live sellers, magandang camera, magandang ilaw, magandang sound system, sobrang laki. Ang laki ng gastos. Aabutin ka ng at least 50 to 60,000 kung may full team ka pa. Pero you have to look at it as an investment, lalo na kung may brand ka. And the reality is, in the short term, pangit ang ROI mo. Gagastos ka ng 30 to 60,000, tapos yung nag-generate mo na sale, it's more or less the same. Pero dito nagkakamali ang karamihan ng sellers. Nag-quit agad sila kasi mali yung mindset nila, mali yung tools na ginagamit nila, and mali yung mga resources nila. Uulitin ko ulit kasi I can't stress this enough. Live selling is not short-term. It's a long-term play for your brand, your engagement, your visibility, and the trust. Think about this. Sabihin natin may 10 viewers ka, 2 yung bumili. But if your live is engaging and consistent, babalik-balikan yan ng 8 viewers na hindi pa bumibili. And eventually, they are going to buy. Maybe next week sila bibili, or 11/11, or payday sale. And every single day, 8 people wanting to buy, 8 people wanting to buy, 8 people wanting to buy. And eventually, more people will know your brand and want to buy from you. Instead of measuring costs versus sales, you have to think of it as asset building. Habang consistent ka nagla-live, you're also consistently building brand trust and equity. And honestly, that is the type of asset na magbabayad ng 10x in the long run. Pero of course, hindi mo kailangan gumastos agad ng malaki and build the best team equipments pag magsisimula ka pa lang mag-live. You can start with simple lights, simple phone, at kahit ikaw ang maging live seller. The key is consistency. Kasi let me be honest with you guys, consistency beats quality every single time. Because the only way that you can build quality is by doing it consistently. And ngayon, tuturuan naman kita ng pinaka-underrated na bagay to maximize the result from your live selling. And that is Insights tab. Sobrang daming sellers, live lang ng live. 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. Pero hindi nila tinitingnan kung ano ba ang nangyayari on the numbers. And the Insights is like a super hack for live. Kasi binibigyan ka nilang diagnostic on what you are doing good, what you can improve, and what is the bottleneck of your live session. So ano nga ba ang ibig kong sabihin? Let me give you a couple of examples. Sabihin natin mababa ang stay time ng isang customer mo. Papasok sila and aalis sila after 3 or 5 seconds. Ano meaning nun? Simple lang. It means that your live seller is not engaging enough. Kaya nawawala ang attention ng audience mo. Next, sabihin naman natin na mababa yung conversion rate mo. That means the offer is not appealing enough or hindi ka gumawa ng urgency. Sabihin naman natin na mababa yung viewers. That means wala kang coins or promotional activities to drive viewers into your session. And lastly, kung mababa ang sales, it's usually a combination of all the factors that I mentioned earlier. Kaya sobrang importante ng pagbabasa ng insights mo. Kasi it tells you directly kung ano yung dapat mong gawin, ano yung ginagawa mo ng tama, and ano yung dapat mong i-improve. And last but definitely not the least is timing. You need to figure out kung anong oras ang pinakamaganda mag-live session. Kasi hindi yan pareho for everybody. For example, if kids product ka, of course, mas effective ang live sa oras na gising ang mga parents. Pero sabihin naman natin na accessories or gadgets ka. Of course, mas maganda mag-live tuwing gabi since that is the prime time kung kailan nagsuscroll ang mga tao. And the only way for you to find out kung ano yung pinakamagandang timing is consistently testing. Subukan mo umaga, hapon, gabi, and tingnan mo ang insights kung saan pinakamaganda ang resulta mo. And that is the time that you will live every single day. Kaya wag mo basta-basta ginagaya yung oras ng ibang sellers. Kasi that works for their niche, but it doesn't mean nagagana yan sa'yo. So test and find out your own time. Before I end this video, kung wala ka man matutunan sa lahat ng sinabi ko, this is what I want you to take away. Live is not a sales machine. Kasi kung benta lang ang habol mo, mabilis kang madidisappoint. Ang totoong power ng live is branding. So instead of chasing sales and numbers on your next live session, focus on building engagement and a relationship with your viewers. Gamitin mo yung mga tools na binibigay sa'yo ng platform and maximize them. And lastly, alamin mo ang sweet spot ng niche mo by reading the numbers. And finally, uulitin ko ulit, consistency is the key to making live work. Same time, same energy, and same vibe. Yan ang naaalala ng customers mo. A live na sobrang ganda pero isang araw lang will lose to a daily consistent live na reliable at steady. So ayun, that's it for today's video. Kung nagustuhan mo to and you want to learn other strategies like live selling, tinuturo ko rin yan lahat sa channel ko. Whether it be ads, affiliate, creating videos, e-com equation, lahat yan dinidiscuss natin in depth. So don't forget to subscribe para ma-update ka tuwing may bagong video ako. Anyways, that's all for today. And as always, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.